napakahirap mo puntahan, nakakaloka ka. Guys, I'm so scared. Come with me, ha? Paano na naman makakapunta doon? Parang lumalayo na naman ako. Paano ka ba puntahan? Nakakaloka ka? Hi guys, so I'm here now in AIA building and we're going through 7th floor to enter the KL Tower. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa level, pinindot ko na yung level 7. Hinatid pa tayo ng guard. And how to go to KL Tower? Here. How? I need to... there and then okay, got it, thank you. Are now going there. Ang katakot pala pag gabi guys, parang ako lang ang tao dito. Go there na. Oh my god guys, there's no people of the world here guys. Akala ata nila magpapapicture lang ako. I need to go inside. There's no way to go there. Ang peaceful naman dito guys. Diba? Ayan. Nakita niyo ba pawis ko guys? Wagas ang pawis ko. Hi Kuya, sorry because I need to go inside the KL Tower. Guys, I'm so scared. Come with me, ha? Kasi it's dark na. Straight daw ako. Dito, tapos left. That's the way. Doon ako mag-i-straight dito. And then left. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Saan tayo pupunta kasi? Ay, nako. We need to go straight and then left. Paano na naman makakapunta doon? Parang lumalayo na naman ako. Ay, I'm scared. Ay, nako. Paano ka ba puntahan? Nakakaloka ka? Masaya ako ni Merdeka. Hi, Merdeka. We're going to ride taxi na lang. Going to KL Tower. I'm so scared. Guys, nakasakay na ako ng Grab and thank you kay Kuya dahil wala akong internet. Siya na lang nag-book ng Grab sa akin. So, ikaw, napakahirap mo puntahan. Nakakaloka ka. So, pinapalakad ako kanina ng Kuya Guard papunta doon. Tignan natin kung gaano kalayo. Ang Grab ko lang naman is 7 ringgit. Ang dami pala left pala yung sinasabi niya. Ganun pala karami yung left para mapuntahan itong KL Tower na to. Kakaloka nung oras na guys. It's already 7:30. Tignan mo, papalakarin nila ako dito sa pasigsag-sigsag na to. Kailangan pala talaga nakasasakyan ka. Oh my god guys, it's hard to go here. You cannot commute, you cannot walk. You need to grab, to ride a Grab car. So we're here. So ayan, para siyang mall. And then I'm not sure, akit na tayo. Ay nako, pag ikaw hindi maganda, nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Hi guys, eto pa lang ang ganda na. Guys, dyan ako galing kanina. Parang ang layo-layo naman niya dito. Oh my god, buti nag-grab ako. Hi guys, so nandito ako, yan. Nandito ako ngayon sa may KL Tower. Ayan yung parang sa second floor nila. Tapos may view ka rin ng Petronas Tower dyan. My god, I'm so haggard na kasi galing pa akong Batok eh. Imagine. Yan. There. Finally. KL Tower, also known in Malay as Menara Kuala Lumpur, is the world's 7th tallest telecommunication tower, and the construction was completed in 1994. So yun guys, from, di ba galing ako dyan, and then nagpunta lang ako rito to provide my QR code, and then binigyan nila ako ng ticket, and then you're going to have a bag check. I have my tumbler with me, and then ito na yung entrance there, and then he's kani Kuya.
Okay, skydeck and observation deck. First, you go skydeck first. Queue on the left side, yeah?
Okay. Ito yung pwede mong puntahan sa KL Tower. Pero ang binili ko lang is yung Sky Deck and Skybox at Observation Deck. Dito ko siya nabili sa link na ito. Imagine, mas makakatipid ka ng almost 100 ringgit or more than 1,000 pesos. Mas mura siya compared to the other website. At saka pala guys, nakalimutan kong puntahan yung observation deck. Oh my God, bayad na siya. Akala ko yun na yung sa taas kasi sobra na akong natuwa. Meron pa pala. So guys, binigyan nila ako ng number for Skybox 1 and Skybox 2. I'm not sure. So this is my view. Dun, 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 dun. Worth it ba? Yes, super worth it. Ang ganda guys. The best city lights I've witnessed so far. Ganda. Guys, ang ganda full moon po. Oh, it's so nice.
Video.
Hi, I'm Ginnie, and I'm here in Kuala Lumpur Tower. Thank you for the full moon. Yeah. Ganda. This one is 175, 200. This one is 200 as well. We are riding now a Grab car going back to our dorm. Hindi ako nag-avail ng picture nila kasi it's 175 ringgit. It's too expensive and I cannot afford. And the Grab here is okay, no, the price. The 7 ringgit earlier and the 8 ringgit now is just a 1 ringgit difference, but my walk and the dangerous level of what happened earlier, you know, so it's better to take a load na lang. Magpa-load kayo. Hinihirapan na ako mag-English. Magpa-load na lang kayo guys kasi it's really important, especially if you are outside of your country. It should be part of your budget because I know I want to be challenged, but it's better to be safe. So yun guys, I haven't eaten dinner yet, so let's go back to the dorm. Thank you for watching all the way through. I'm your travel genie and hope your travel wish will come true. Ay, hindi na play. Nakakaya. Ulit na naman ako. Visit ka. Di ka nag-play. Japanese restaurant. It's called Star Bar. It's eat all you can and drink all you can.